Hi guys, Harchadani here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some healthy protein ice cream with only three ingredients. If you're like me, you have a sweet tooth and you always wonder, well, how does Harj not pig out and have the ice cream? Well, I do, because with these ingredients, you can pig out. You can have an entire bowl, so this entire portion. So let's get started. First, you want to put a deep loaf in the freezer just to chill it, and then you mix your ingredients next. Okay, so one thing that if you're making healthy desserts, you're gonna learn really quickly is to thicken anything that you're making cold, so popsicles or ice cream or anything. You'll always need some frozen bananas. So you know when they're about to go bad and you're gonna throw them out, don't do that. You peel them, cut them up into little pieces, and you just put them in a Ziploc in the freezer. And then you can add them to your smoothies. You can add them to this ice cream, just cut into little pieces. All right, so now we've got our frozen bananas, and we're pretty much just gonna add everything into the blender, all the ingredients at once, and mix. You can use coconut cream. Make sure you find the light version. It's got half the calories. That's your protein powder. Once again, you can add 1 scoop if you only need 25-ish grams of protein. If you're larger or male, you probably want 2 scoops at least because you need 50 grams of protein. And yes, you can eat the entire thing in 1 serving. You can add vanilla extract, but like you guys know, and you're getting the theme of how I make food, I'm just putting in some Stevia, that is French vanilla flavored. And that's it. Throw it all in there and blend it up. And now you're gonna bring out your chilled bowl. The deeper, the better. And you are just gonna pour that mixture right in there. And because of the texture of the coconut cream, it's never gonna get super hard, so it'll always be like a soft serve ice cream. Now, the only tips I can give you guys is once you put it in the freezer for about the first hour, go in and give it a good mix every 20 minutes to half an hour, 2 or 3 times, and then just let it settle. And before you want to eat it, take it out about 15 to 20 minutes prior to eating and scoop it up. All right, that's been chilled for about an hour. I've let it sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. And you'll see that the consistency is still very much like ice cream. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And you can literally, if you're like shameless like me, sit down and eat this entire thing in 1 serving. It is that healthy. So I like the banana because I personally like the banana flavor, but you do not need the banana. If you want to switch the coconut cream because you don't like coconut, you can just use banana. They both provide that same thick texture to the ice cream. I did both because why not? And there you go, guys, healthy protein ice cream. You can have this post-workout, you can have it right before bed, super macro friendly, low in calories, very low in carbs, pretty much no sugar. So there you have it, healthy protein ice cream. Make sure you comment below. Let me know if you guys want to see more recipes like this, and I'll keep making, I'll keep showing you guys how to get rid of that sweet tooth.